welcome back to another vlog. So got planned to get a whole lot of stuff done. For this one I want to work on one of the Japanese dolls and also the next Halloween one and the next two Halloween ones. So I'm going to do a bit of sculpting, a bit of doll stuff, a bit of everything for this vlog. So I'll keep this intro short because I think the vlog's gonna have a lot of stuff in it, and yeah, I will catch you at the end of the video and I'll show you everything that I've done. So stay tuned for that. Hey, welcome back to the end of the vlog. I got a lot of work done, so I've done 2 dolls so far. So the one is for the Japanese collection. It's the Nekomata, and completely finished it. So I did a lot of marking. It's supposed to be based off like a calico cat, but have like a like Japanese mythology look to it. So that's the face that we have so far, and I did the whiskers really wispy and the teeth and stuff made from polymer clay. It doesn't move though, it's just a solid one. And that's a little look at the entire doll, and with the 2 tails as well, the Nekomata. So something a little different. I haven't sculpted anything sort of along the lines of this, what this looks like before, so I just sort of went a bit just did my own thing, I guess. Wasn't anything planned, and see how it turned out. So pretty happy with it. Something a little different. Teeth are totally different than what I normally do as well. So yes, that's the little Nekomata. So that will be available when I finish the entire Japanese collection. So there'll be a couple of dolls in that one, but more when I get closer to finishing that collection. The second doll is the second one from my Halloween collection. So it's the Ghost Raccoon. I'll give you a little look at that one. It's quite a big doll, but pretty cute. It's got a little tongue sticking out. Tongue's made of cosplay, so it's quite sturdy. These little Tacky made ghost outfit and his little treat bucket that has treats in it. So it's got some treats in it. They're polymer clay that I made a little while ago, so they're like leftover ones from my decadent stuff that I've done. I'll take the little ghost thing off so you can see his little face. So it's just a realistic looking raccoon sticking his tongue out. Tail, so a bit of a chunky one. And yeah, so if you're looking for a realistic raccoon with a cheeky tongue, then obviously you can just take the sheet off, but he comes with the sheet. So, and it's literally a sheet, like I've done like a really tacky job on it, so it's meant to be like the raccoon's made the outfit himself, so I've like done like a hack job on that as well. And I think it looks cute with his silly tongue. So that's the second one. The first one was the bone bat, so that's up in my shop if you're interested in that one, and payment plans are also welcome with all my dolls. And the last one, which I don't think I'm going to get finished by Halloween, but I'll just put it up anyway, is a little kitty. So it's supposed to be a pumpkin kitty, so pumpkin kitten I guess. So it's a little head, it's got little orange eyes, it's meant to be like cutesy wootsy sort of thing. And my plan was originally to put some wings on it, so I might still do that, I'm not too sure, but and also the other plan was to have like a pumpkin head. So I got this pumpkin, like paper mache sort of pumpkin, that I was going to cut the bottom out of so I could put it on the head, so it's like a little pumpkin head. And so you're supposed to be able to like look through it, like a little pumpkin head type thing, you know. I don't know how, so I'm just going to wing it and see, you know, what happens. So we'll see what happens with that. I might still do it, I don't know, I might just do the wings, who knows. I'm never going to use that thing, so I'll probably just play around with it and see how it goes. So there's a little kitty cat face. So I need to put this whole doll together, so it's going to be fully black, and I wanted the eyes to be like a pumpkin colour, so I've got to paint the pumpkin and everything. And yeah, so that's the plan for that one. So Raccoon is up in my shop if you want to check that out as well. Bat and Nekomata will be when I do the whole collection, so I'll probably leave it there. Rambled on long enough, and yeah, check out all my videos that are coming up with all these dolls. I'm going to make yeah, all these videos will come up with making them, so you can check me out on Patreon as well if you want a little bit more. And you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, mostly TikTok because all the other platforms are crap. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.